so much better now. I mean, I can do things that I never did a year ago that I have been wanting to do, and now I feel like I'm going to Italy and Switzerland in June, and I feel like I can do any excursion that I want to do.
I really feel that so much better, I try it. Why wouldn't you? Why would you not try it?
And what your practice does is it looks like at the spine as one organ and you treat it together. Mm-hmm. So fixing what's going on in my lower back can also fix my cervical.
Little by little by little, I was back in the gym. Mm-hmm. I was back to work with no problem, pushing wheelbarrows, carrying those bags of concrete, but not on my right shoulder like I used to. And and here we are, and I know that I owe it all to you. There's no doubt.
It's just unbelievable. Like every day I wake up, I'm really not afraid of having a migraine, and that was how I used to start every single day. So it's just unbelievable.
I am so thankful to be able to walk across a room, to be able to concentrate on things, to be able to think of hope for the future instead of just thinking I'm stuck in a wheelchair. And
here I am over a year later. I have no pain in my neck. My arm certainly does not suffer from atrophy.
Right.
And the care has been excellent, and I'm a believer.
Because I suffered so badly from them, I couldn't go anywhere, I couldn't do anything. Because if I got sick, somebody would have to come and get me because I'd be throwing up and just totally out of it.
I had debilitating jaw pain accompanied with dizziness. I legitimately couldn't even get out of bed. It was so bad to the point where I felt like my life, it didn't feel enjoyable, and I'm only 28 years old.
Then I had some minor accidents playing around with my kids, and then I was also getting this tremendous pain shooting down my arm. For 2 years, I kind of ignored the fact that I was getting, I thought it was just like a pinched nerve. You know, waking up in the morning, I'm like, it's another pinched nerve. It's still...
Do anything, couldn't go out, couldn't go to a restaurant. I struggled.
Yeah.
I really struggled.
Woke up, stepped out of bed, and almost fell over. Completely dizzy, nauseous, saying, what's going on? What do I have? You know, It's just crazy. Kind of muscled through that day, but at the end of the day, my wife said, gotta get you to a doctor. Went to a doctor, and my regular doctor, and he says, you got vertigo. Everybody's got vertigo. Take meclizine, you'll be fine.
I was very discouraged, thinking that I'd be stuck in the wheelchair, because I'd been in the wheelchair since August, and that was November.
About a year ago, I went into a prominent hospital in New York City. I was suffering from neck pain, and I had a shooting pain down in my elbow. And I went into this hospital, and they said that I had a bulging disc, and my right arm would probably suffer from atrophy if I didn't get surgery. That's scary.
Well, in the past, when I was younger, I could work through my migraine, and I would be at work, and it wouldn't be a great day, but I'd be able to manage it.
I suffer from Meniere's, which is a lot of dizziness, vertigo, nauseousness comes with it, and just took so much out of my life.
If you're struggling with similar issues, I highly recommend exploring the incredible resources and support at UCC. It may just change your life as it did for me. Thank you for listening to my story. Stay healthy and committed.